Hi, my name is Alina Palacios. I'm 15 and currently a sophomore at the Branson School. I started off in a public elementary school, and in the sixth grade, I transitioned into Prospect Sierra. My transition was very smooth. Prospect Sierra expects a lot of incoming students in the sixth grade specifically, so they were prepared with things like orientation and just activities in general for everyone to get to know each other. Halfway through my time though at Prospect Sierra, the pandemic did start, which unfortunately meant we had to be on Zoom. But that was truly the time when I realized how much Prospect Sierra cares and how much they care about keeping us engaged. I feel like the transition to high school from Prospect Sierra was also very smooth. We had a high school counselor who was amazing and supported not only us but also our parents throughout the entire process. I felt very prepared for high school academically, but also socially, with Prospect emphasizing their core values, one of the main ones being community. I feel like I left Prospect Sierra with a couple skills, such as keeping an open mind and accepting and acting on feedback.